It is important not to turn on or not to power on your hard drive after you drop it. This is why. These are the damaged heads from the 4 terabyte Western Digital Blue Series hard drive that was inside of my book, and it was accidentally dropped. So as you can see, the heads are all torn off, and this is not the way they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be all aligned and straight up, something similar to this one. These two are really bad condition heads. So if you're gonna power on the drive in condition like that, these heads will just crash the surface of the platters to the death, so to say. All the dust will be flying everywhere, all your data will be evaporated, pretty much. So it's important not to power it on after your hard drive is dropped, and this is exactly why. If you do have a problem with the drives that were dropped, seek professional assistance. You can call us or you can call any other data recovery company, 720-319-7239, Cubix Data Recovery. We'll be happy to help you out.